This video demonstrates the installation of Magna lens magnetic earmuff adapters on Safariland Liberator HP 2.0 earmuffs. This model of adapters work with over-the-head and behind-the-neck style of headbands. Note that these parts are not designed for helmet-mounted earmuffs. Please contact us if you do not find the magnetic earmuff adapter that you need. This model of Magna lens magnetic earmuff adapters are installed directly on the front of the Safariland Liberators without removal of any OEM components. Before we show you the actual installation, we're going to explain how these parts work. These adapters consist of a right and left front component and two identical back clips that lock the adapters onto the front earmuff headband wire and earmuff front knob. This is the left component, which will attach directly onto the headband wire and knob from the front. The back clip has hooks on the bottom that will be carefully guided into position on the corresponding notch on the back of the front component, with the headband wire running between both parts, as will be demonstrated momentarily. Confirm that it is properly seated on both sides, and then carefully snap the back of the clip onto the front component so that it catches and snaps fully into place, which secures it onto the headband wire. Removal. In the event that you need to remove these adapters, find the notches between the front and back clips on top of the component. Note that these notches are on both sides. You may then use either your fingernails or a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry up the back clip until it unlatches, allowing both parts to separate. Next, carefully unhook the bottom of the clip from the front piece, allowing you to fully separate both parts, releasing it from the earmuff. An important note: when removing your earmuff adapters from this model of earmuffs, please be careful to not forcefully remove the front component as to not damage the earmuffs. Specifically, if the bottom of the adapter is difficult to remove from the earmuff knob, then gently rotate it back and forth around that circular knob until it releases freely. The round knob on the earmuffs are attached to the earmuff cup with only a small pin, and if too much force is applied, it can easily break off, damaging your earmuffs. Now we will show you how to install these adapters on actual earmuffs. Again, select the adapter front part that corresponds to the proper earmuff cup, and in this case we'll demonstrate the left side. After aligning the part, you will firmly press it onto the front of the earmuff wire and knob, ensuring that the lower part is fully seated around the earmuff knob and that the top part is aligned with the headband wire. Next, you will hook the bottom part of the back clip onto the corresponding location of the front component, and then rotate the clip over the headband wire from the back, aligning the top of the clip into position. Then you'll apply pressure from the front and back, squeezing the clip until you hear a snap, locking it into place, with visual confirmation that the part is fully installed. This completes the installation of the Magna lens magnetic earmuff adapters on Safariland Liberator HP 2.0 earmuffs. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, as we are happy to help. Our contact information can be found at magnalens.com.